Okay, so what you should do, you should have your Supra key. You should have the app on your phone. That's the Supra key. And then you're going to go to Obtain Key. You're going to click Obtain Key. Then what you're going to do, you're going to put your passcode. You're going to put your key code in. And when you put your key code in, you put your key code in, and then you lift this up first. And then after you do that right there, it says Obtain Key, and it's second. Okay. Now you lift it up and then you bring it down. Okay. After you do that, you either take your key out if you're showing the property, and you put your key in if you're getting ready to list the property like I am, then you put your key in here. Okay. And one of the good things that you can do when you're putting your key in here, you can have your business card, some kind of marketing tool. You can put it in here, and then make sure if you have more than one key, then label what the key is. Like my client labeled it in-law and main. And then once you do that, then you put the box back in, and then voila. So now it's locked up, okay? So that is how you open a Supra box. But the most important thing is when you focus the key at the red razor glare, you gotta lift this up first. See, a lot of times what happens, agents don't lift it up. So you gotta lift it up and then let it go. And then focus and then hold it there, okay? So that's how you open a Supra box.